In the summer, when the fields here are filled with gorgeous corn, I love to make fresh corn salad, and you're not going to believe how easy this is. So I've boiled corn for about 3 minutes until it's just not starchy. And the way you can tell is just to take a little kernel off and taste it. So you still have the fresh corn flavor. And it's perfect. They're crisp, but they're cooked all the way through. And I'm going to put them in ice water. It's called shocking them. This is going to be so good with my all-American grill of hamburgers. And instead of hot dogs, I'm going to do turkey sausages and homemade coleslaw and a surprise for dessert. Okay, so that's nice and cold. You know, putting it in ice water actually stops the cooking, but what else it does is it keeps the bright yellow color, and we want it to look gorgeous. Take the little end off right there and just stand it up in its rear end, and then run your knife all the way down the cob, and the kernels just come off beautifully like that. When the corn's fresh in East Hampton, I feel like I want to eat it every day. It's actually surprising how much corn you get from the kernels, isn't it? Okay, 5 corn right into the bowl. And then I'm just going to add a few ingredients that will really give it all of its fresh corn flavor. So the first thing I'm going to add is a little red onion. One of the tricks for cutting an onion is to leave the end, one end on, and then it keeps the whole thing together when you're cutting it. So I'll show you how this works. So slice it this way. Keep your fingers out of the way. And this way, the whole thing stays together when you're dicing it. So I need about half a cup of red onion, which is 1 small red onion. Okay, that's done. All right, a little bit of cider vinegar and olive oil. I think the cider vinegar is really wonderful. It's sort of sweet, and it enhances the fresh corn flavor. 3 tablespoons of each. Olive oil, good olive oil. Salt and pepper, always good salt and pepper. And then the last ingredient is fresh basil. I just think corn and basil go really well together, so I put them together. So this is a really great little trick, how to julienne basil leaves, is you just stack them up one on top of the other, and then roll them up like a tight cigar. And then take your knife and just do really thin slices. And you end up with really gorgeous julienne, or sometimes called chiffonade. Okay, just like that. Toss it up. It's so fresh tasting. Perfect. Now, how easy was that?